This is a cool tip for animating text while avoiding using multiple alpha matte layers. First, right-click on your text and choose Mask, New Mask. This will put a masked box around your text. Notice that if you animate the position from the transform properties, your mask will move with your text layer. Instead, open your text layer and click the arrow next to animate to add a position text animator. Now you can animate your text using the text animator position controls and your mask will remain in place. Since the position of the text animator is relative to the position of your layer, you can copy and paste the text animator position keyframes to other masked text layers regardless of where they are in your comp. You can even save these keyframes as a preset and apply them in the future to other text layers with the click of a button. Instead of using alpha mattes to animate your text within a specific area, give text animator position controls a try.